iGUIDE is an online experience designed to provide access to important property information. iGUIDE combines 360-degree images and interactive floor plans to help with understanding a property by giving the ability to virtually walk through a space. To start using iGUIDE, just look around. Look up, down, left and right with unlimited access. Zoom in to get a good look at important features that need to be inspected. Move from one place to another by clicking in the direction you'd like to go. Navigate using the floor plan to quickly see an area that interests you or where you want to inspect. Want to see a particular room? Just click on it. Move up or down to different floors using the floor selector. Measure anything you'd like on the floor plan. Click the measure button and draw a line from one point to another to see the distance between them. This can be used to measure for furniture or to plan the placement of equipment needed in a space. Share the iGUIDE with key individuals who need to inspect a space remotely. Locate the property on the included map to get an understanding of the location. Every iGUIDE includes room dimensions, square footage totals, downloadable as-built PDF floor plans, and DXF files for AutoCAD. These measurements are extremely valuable for individuals managing, inspecting, and using a space. iGUIDE combines 360-degree visuals and interactive floor plans to give users access to the information they want when looking at a space.